All right, we start with some news coming in, viewers, on the Al Falah University headquarters that is in Okhla. Now, Haryana Police has arrived in connection with the investigation of the Al Falah University. Remember, the NAC has also sent a notice on the accreditation of this university, and now what we know is that the financial audit is also all set to be carried out. Now, Haryana Police has meanwhile reached the headquarters of Al Falah University in Okhla. Dr. Muzammil, Dr. Shaheen Saeed and Umar, these terror doctors were okay. I'm told that bomb disposal squad has arrived at the Al Falah University in Faridabad. The bomb disposal squad has arrived at the university, Al Falah University in Faridabad, that has become the hub, the epicenter of this entire terror module, the white collar jihad module, and the bomb disposal squad, as we see, is at the spot in Faridabad, the bomb disposal squad. We are getting in visuals of that, live visuals, latest visuals coming in from the Al Falah University in Faridabad. This after Haryana Police arrived there, and Haryana Police also was accompanied by the bomb disposal squad. And we have reaction also coming in. Listen in.
पाँच मिनट कर लो यार, असल में एसएचओ का फोन आ रहा है, एसएचओ साहब वगैरह रिकॉर्ड कर लो।
हाँ करिए हाँ सर, इतनी बड़ी चीज हुई है जिसमें अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम बिल्कुल बीच में आ रहा है, द सेंटर ऑफ इट, उस पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैडम, ये एक दुखद घटना हुई है। यूनिवर्सिटी इस चीज़ के लिए बहुत दुख में है, सदमे में है, और यूनिवर्सिटी के लोग ये चाहते हैं कि जितने भी लोगों ने ये हरकत की है, इतने नोबेल प्रोफेशन में आने के बाद उन लोगों ने ये हरकत की है, आइसोलेटेड वाली हरकत की है, उनके खिलाफ पूर्णतः कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। जो लोग इसको उन लोगों को रेडिकलाइज किया है, जिन लोगों ने भी किया है, उनके खिलाफ भी पूरी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, उन्हें जस्टिस पे लाना चाहिए।
और सर, इसकी फंडिंग को लेके, अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी की फंडिंग को लेके बहुत सवाल उठ रहे हैं, उस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर जितनी भी फंडिंग है, अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी की फीस से उसकी फंडिंग है। अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी को कोई भी बाहर के देशों से, किसी जगह से भी कोई भी फंडिंग नहीं है। अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी की फीस उसको चलाने के लिए सफिशिएंट है। अल फलाह एक सेल्फ सस्टेनेबल यूनिवर्सिटी है।
थैंक यू।
Right, that is the reaction coming in from my colleague Shambhavi was getting that reaction from the Al Falah University, and she has continued her coverage from the spot where the bomb disposal squad is present at the moment. We just got you those live shots, and Shambhavi is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Shambhavi, well, tell us what information are you gathering, because there is now intense scrutiny on the Al Falah University, the finances, the administration, and the bomb disposal squad is now also at the spot.
Well, we are here right now at the Al Falah office at Okhla, Jamia Nagar, and we will show you that this is the office, and we are going to show you, because this university, apart from its association with the doctors who were involved in this terrorist blast, there was the Al Falah University is again in the controversy regarding its accreditation. And here we'll show you. You see Al Falah University in this form, a private university established by an act of Haryana, recognized by UGC under section accredited with A grade. Now this is the claim, which is an absolute false claim. NACC has said that this is a false claim. We'll also show you how this university has issued a statement. We are going to show you how they have completely ridden their hands from any kind of association with these doctors. We wish to make it clear that university has no connection with the said persons apart from working in their official capacities with the university. And here we also want to make it loud and clear that as responsible institution, we stand in solidarity with the nation and reaffirm our unwavering commitment. So this is what the university has issued, and we are right now at the office here in Okhla. The Haryana police, Delhi police was here. They've collected certain documents which is connected to the university, to their ownership, related to other important, again, the information is not disclosed at the moment because it is an ongoing investigation, but there has been constant movement of police in this office. We have also spoken, as you saw, we've also spoken to the legal advisor who has said that there was absolutely no association with the terrorist